Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best headlight restoration kits that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Sopami Automotive Headlight Restoration Kit. This kit claims to tackle oxidized and yellowed headlight lenses while enhancing their overall appearance with a crystallization effect. Its formula is designed to restore the original look of your headlights, making them appear vibrant and new. This product is marketed as versatile and applicable to a variety of headlight types, but it lacks the inclusion of more comprehensive accessories like sanding discs or UV protectants. The design and build quality of the Sopami kit are basic, and while it's lightweight at 10.5 ounces, it doesn't include the tools or advanced components seen in more premium kits. In terms of performance, user reviews are mixed, with an average rating of 3.4 stars. Many users noted that while the kit provided a temporary improvement in clarity, the results didn't last as long as expected. This product appears to be more of a quick fix rather than a lasting solution. Overall, the Sopami kit is best for those looking for a low-maintenance, quick enhancement for moderately oxidized headlights. However, if you're looking for long-lasting results, this may not be the best option. It falls short in value compared to similarly priced kits that offer more comprehensive restoration processes. Pros include its simplicity and ease of use, while the cons are its limited durability and lack of included tools. Coming in at number 4 is the Expert Chemi Headlight Restoration Kit. This kit is designed to handle heavy-duty restoration tasks, including yellowing, clouding, and stains, while even buffing out small hairline scratches. A standout feature of this kit is its ceramic UV protector, which chemically bonds with your headlight lenses to provide up to 18 months of protection from UV damage and oxidation. The kit is also unique in that it doesn't require any power tools, making it accessible for users without specialized equipment. The design is thorough, with everything you need for restoration included in the box. This includes sanding discs, oxidation remover wipes, ceramic coating wipes, and masking tape. The instructions are clear, making it easy to follow the 3-step process. In terms of performance, the Expert Chemi kit has an average rating of 4.1 stars, with users praising its ability to restore clarity and provide long-lasting protection. However, some users found that the sanding process could be time-intensive compared to kits that use power tools. This kit is ideal for users who prefer a hands-on approach and want a comprehensive solution without needing a drill. It delivers good value for its features, but the manual process may not be suitable for everyone. The pros include its ceramic UV protection and complete accessory set, while the cons are the time required for manual sanding and the slightly higher learning curve for beginners. At number 3, we have the 3M Auto Restore and Protect Headlight Restoration Kit, which is our budget-friendly option. Priced at just $10.08, this kit is a great option for those looking for an affordable way to restore their headlights without breaking the bank. It includes essential components like sanding discs, clear coat wipes, a foam pad, and even a disposable glove. The kit is designed to remove yellowing and buildup from plastic lenses and includes 3M's renowned Trizac technology for effective sanding. Despite its low price, the build quality of this kit is impressive and the included materials feel durable. The sanding discs and clear coat wipes work well together to restore clarity to headlights. Users have noted that the process is straightforward, though it does require some manual effort. With a 4.5-star average rating, this kit has received positive feedback for its simplicity and effectiveness, but the results may not be as long-lasting as those achieved with higher-end kits. This kit is perfect for budget-conscious users who need a quick, easy fix for mildly oxidized or yellowed headlights. It offers excellent value for the price, but it's not the best choice for heavily damaged lenses or users seeking a professional-grade finish. Pros include its affordability and ease of use, while the cons are its limited durability and manual process. In second place, we have the 3M Ultra Headlight Restoration Kit. This kit is a step up from the budget option, offering a more comprehensive set of tools and features for a price of $15.66. It includes multiple sanding discs with varying grit levels, a disc pad holder, masking tape, and a wax protectant. The inclusion of 3M's abrasive technology ensures that yellowing and buildup are effectively removed without damaging the plastic lens surface. The design of this kit is robust, and its components are clearly built to last. The sanding process is enhanced by the use of different grit levels, which helps achieve a smoother, clearer finish. According to users, the 3M Ultra kit performs exceptionally well, even on heavily oxidized headlights. It has a high customer satisfaction rating of 4.6 stars, with many reviewers praising its ability to deliver professional quality results. However, this kit does require the use of a household drill, which may be a downside for some users. This kit is ideal for those who want a high-quality restoration process at a mid-range price point. It's particularly suited for users who have access to a drill and are comfortable with a more involved restoration process. Pros include its comprehensive tool set and excellent performance, while the cons are the need for additional equipment and the learning curve for first-time users. Finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the Mother's 07251 New Lens Headlight Renewal Kit. This premium option is priced at $20.86 and is designed to restore, maintain, and protect all types of smooth plastic and acrylic headlights. It includes a Powerball polishing tool, restoration discs, and an 8-ounce bottle of Power Plastic 4 Lights polish. This polish not only restores clarity, but also leaves a protective polymer layer to guard against future oxidation and UV damage. The design is thoughtful and user-friendly, with the Powerball tool providing an efficient way to polish and buff headlights. In terms of performance, the Mother's kit excels, delivering crystal-clear results that rival professional-grade services. It's also highly rated by users, with an average of 4.2 stars. Many reviewers noted how quickly and effectively the kit removed yellowing, stains, and even minor scratches. However, the kit does require a power drill, which may not be convenient for everyone. This kit is perfect for users who want long-lasting, high-quality results and don't mind investing a little extra. It's particularly suited for heavily oxidized or scratched headlights. The pros include its premium components, quick results, and durable protection, while the cons are its higher price point and the need for a power drill. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.